I'm Andy Noonan from Fowl Play, the Big Grill Barbecue Festival and Baste BBQ here on Clanbrassil Street. Welcome to the Fire and Ice Barbecue series on Jameson Connects. Next up, we're going to show you how to do a Jameson infused barbecue sauce. So this one is packed full of flavour. It's really tangy, really light, but has a nice bit of background heat and a great bit of flavour. It's super simple. You'll have most of these things at home. Ketchup, water, some Jameson, salt, chili powder, distilled vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, brown sugar, cumin, cider vinegar, Worcester sauce, and black pepper. Okay, like I said, super simple. We just go in with our ketchup. Nice low heat. We go in with some of our water. That little stir. I'm gonna turn it up to a medium heat now and just start to get this going. We're gonna go in with our Worcester sauce. Our two vinegars, so cider vinegar, distilled vinegar. We're going to turn our heat up to high. Make sure to keep stirring it. Spatula is good for this. Just make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom, doesn't catch. Now, while we're bringing that up to heat, we're going to pour our Jameson. So just a single measure. And then we're going to go in with our sugar, brown sugar. You can see this sauce is getting nice and glossy. That's from the sugar and the Worcester sauce. So now that we're got a nice bit of heat bubbling up nicely, we're gonna add our Jameson. And then we're gonna flambe that. So that we're gonna burn the alcohol off by adding a little bit of flame. So when that burns, that's gonna cook off all the alcohol. We wanna do that and it's just gonna reduce the Jameson down a little bit. And once we've done that, we're going to add our spices. And the reason we add our spices after is we don't want the flame from the burning alcohol to make our spices bitter. Okay, now the alcohol is nice and burned off and it's reducing down. We're going to add our spices. So, garlic and onion powder, cumin, chili powder, and you can be as generous as you like with this. I like a little bit of heat, black pepper, and then a nice bit of salt. And then quickly give all that a stir so we don't burn our spices. Bring all that together. So turn that down to a low to medium heat. I just want to let it reduce down slightly, get a little bit syrupy, a little bit more dark in colour, and that's it, ready. It shouldn't be too reduced, it should still be a little watery, have a little bit of a nice consistency like that. And that's it, that's our barbecue sauce. Just let it cool and then it's ready to use. That's it, super simple Jameson infused barbecue sauce. Stick it in a nice squeezy bottle like this or an airtight container. It'll last in your fridge for about 3-4 weeks. Join me for more videos on the Fire and Ice barbecue series on Jameson Connects.